Hello everyone, I want to teach you how to make money on Redbubble step by step. Step number 1, promote your Redbubble store with social media marketing. One of the best way to get more customers and make money on Redbubble is by promoting your store through social media. This course of action means shining image of your work on sites like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Step number 2, add tags to your Redbubble shop. Redbubble tags help potential customers find your work and product on Redbubble. Make it easier to get more sales. When you create a new shop, be sure to add plenty of relevant tags so that people can easily discover selling. Step number 3. Find a niche for your design. Researching current trends and developing your niche is an excellent way to make money on the print-on-demand platform. Starting general design that anyone can use is great, but it's even better to find unique Redbubble niche. This process called involve anything from designing competitive products specifically for women to targeting certain audience, such as pet lovers or Star Wars fans. Step number 4. Customize your Redbubble profile. A few small changes to your Redbubble profile can make a big difference when it comes to making money on the online store. You can always include an artist statement or description of some kind, but you should also shows up your cover image by putting up compelling image or an avatar that shows off your personality. Step number 5. Be on trend with Google Keyword Planner. If you want to sell a lot of products on Redbubble, your work must be relevant to your audience. Fortunately, Google Keyword Planner makes this easy by showing you how often people are searching for specific terms in the search engine. This tool can help you see what types of design and topics are popular with customers so that you can design work that's on trend. You can then use this keyword when you create your tags, title, and artist statement on your Redbubble page to help boost traffic to your store. Step number 6. Create trending designs. In addition to being on trend, it can also be advantageous to create trending designs. You can use Google Trend or other tools to see what types of design are currently popular and then design work around this trend. The platform also has handy Redbubble search bar feature that lets you click it. Then trending searches come up. Step number 7. Sell t-shirt people will want to buy. The secret to selling tees on Redbubble or anywhere for that matter is to create design that people will actually want to buy. Do your research what's trending and focus on creating exciting shirt designs that are sure to appeal to a wide range of customers. When you put a lot of thought and creativity into your work, it shows in the final product and people are more likely to buy it. Step number 8. Upload a different design every month. Redbubble suggests loading a new design every month to keep traffic coming to your store. That's because taking the time to come up with something fresh once a month will help keep your shop looking active and interesting. It also gives customers more incentive to check back regularly for new designs. Step number 9. Take advantage of promise. Redbubble is known for offering sales promotion. For instance, they might offer digital painting at 50% off. During the time, you can mark up yours 50% so you don't lose any revenue. Alternatively, you can leave the price and look at it as an opportunity to promote your store and increase your customer base. Okay, now Step number 10. Use an optimal file format. When uploading your digital art to your Redbubble account, it's essential to use the proper file format. For instance, export your design with transparent background unless you're printing an all-over pattern. For products like t-shirt and hoodies, use a PNG or PDF file with high resolution 300 dpi. Also, ensure that all your designs are created in CMYK color, so they're not unexpected color changes when you print. Step number 11. Give yourself enough time to grow. Make it discouraged if you don't have traffic from Redbubble customers at first, as it may take a little bit of time to get established and start getting Redbubble buy. The first few months will probably be very slow, so don't give up and keep posting your creation. Instead, give yourself around 6 months to learn how to use Redbubble, promote your products, and grow. Step number 12. Control your profit margin. One of the great things about selling products on Redbubble is that you get to control your profit margin. The platform has base retail price for all its products, and the majority of creators there typically set their profit at around 20% of the base cost. However, as your designs grow more popular, you can mark up the price to increase your Redbubble sales. Okay, now how to get paid on Redbubble. Redbubble is one of the easier print-on-demand companies you can use to get paycheck once you've created an account with them and given your payment details. Payments are set up to automatically go to your PayPal or bank account. Once you start to sell products, you can track the payment information and your sales history. As soon as your Redbubble buy $20 threshold, you'll be paid royalties. That's all. Don't forget subscribe to my channel.